How is your expectation?
As I've said many times before, my expectation is that the people of Wayanad give me the chance to repay the love and the affection they've shown me, and to work for them and to be their representative.
There are a lot of controversies regarding the Churanmala landslide issue and last the Waqf board issue. And how is your response on these things, on this point?
I don't think today is a day of talking about these controversies. I think it's the day for polling right now, and I just hope that everybody exercises their democratic right, comes out and votes.
Will you close the majority of Rahul?
That is to be seen. We will see.
ഹലോ അതാ വരിക തുടങ്ങിയോ പോകാനായോ ഇത് 5 മിനിറ്റ് കേട്ടോ വന്ന്